Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're looking at Cowrywise automation strategies for consistent saving. The first thing you need to do is pick your payday. Set the day your salary usually arrives. This will be your save first day every month. Next, you have to turn on autosave for that day. In Cowrywise, set your autosave to move money automatically on payday into your main savings plan. Then 3. Add a backup autosave. Set a smaller autosave for 3 to 4 days after payday in case salary is late or lower than expected. Then 4. Use the 1-1-1 rhythm. That is, monthly, one bigger autosave on payday, weekly, one medium autosave, for example, every Friday, and daily, one tiny autosave for like 500 to 1,000 naira to build momentum. 5. Create separate plans for each goal. Make plans like rent, emergency, tuition, travel, and automate money into each plan, not one big bucket. 5. Increase amount every quarter. After every 3 months, raise each autosave by 5 to 10% to keep up with rising prices. 7. Also invest part of your savings. Set a recurring move from your plan into low-risk funds for short term and growth funds for long term. 8. Use lock dates for serious goals. For rent or tuition, set a lock or maturity date so you don't withdraw by impulse. 9. Add simple reminders. Put 2 phone reminders, like mid-month check and month-end check. If an autosave fails, top up the same day. And lastly, do a monthly automation health check. Check if your autosaves run, and then fix update amounts if your income changed. And redirect by moving extra money to the plan that needs it the most. That is all about automation strategies for consistent saving that you can use in Cowrywise. Hope you found this video helpful.